You don't get to what? You didn't get to load the dishwasher? Why not? Yeah, but you were doing your own chore. Do you want the dishwasher to be your chore? You're not quite big enough for the dishwasher chore. When you get bigger, you can do the dishwasher, okay? You want to wash dishes and put them in the dishwasher? I'm sorry. When you get bigger.